Kilala ko po sa inyo ang pinaka-pogi kong boyfriend.
Mapakilala ko sa inyo ang napakagandang girlfriend.
Nagulat ba kayo? Wow!
Nagulat ba kayo? Mukhang...
Hello mga kapatid! Balik na ulit kami. Ngayon, medyo cloudy siya. Ganito ang panahon ngayon. So, hindi natin alam kung uulan ba mamaya or kung aaraw mamaya. Pero, enjoy pa rin tayo sa pag-vlog natin.
Wow, sana all enjoy sa pag-vlog.
Wow! For today's video, we're gonna go hiking again in another place, in another new place. I haven't been there yet, so let's go and check this place out. So how do we do our hiking? How do we find our hiking places? Well, Google is here, internet is here, so doon kami naghahanap ng mga place na pwede namin pag-hike. So magpapagas lang kami, bibili lang kami ng ice, and then I'll get back to you. Woohoo!
Hotdog.
Hotdog ka rin.
1 hour later.
So ito na guys, nandito na tayo na naghahanap lang tayo ng mapaparkingan. Ewan ko kung nasa na tayo. Liblib na naman to. So guys, ayun, nandito na kami sa mountains. Wala nang signal. Mali pa yung aming dinaanan. So babalik kami para magkaroon kami ng signal. Ito bad trip na ata si Ko. Bad trip ka na ba?
Hindi.
Hindi. So, hanap lang muna kami ng signal kasi mali pala yung GPS ko.
Siguro sa GPS niya, paulit-ulit na. Ilang beses na kami nalagay sa GPS niya.
Gawa kasi ng GPS ko eh. May something's wrong with my phone. With my mom.
Mano-mano
So,
sa may-ari. Diyan ka lang.
So guys, we think we found our destination, maybe. So, we're not sure actually. So, let's go and give it a try. Let's see how it is outside. Nakasulat doon ay welcome to CYPRESS Falls Park. So maybe it's this one or not. Kasi yung Cypress malaki siya eh. Madami siyang trail. So depende kung saan ka nag-park. Depende kung anong gusto mong i-hike. Yun, depende. Kasi malaki talaga siya, mahaba. Sometimes it takes 2 to 4 hours daw. So let's see. First time kasi namin pareho eh. So let's see. So ito na kami. Naglalakad na kami. Pangit ng panahon guys. Foggy. So hindi ko alam kung may view ba kami makikita dito.
Kung hiking to.
Yan. Hello.
What's up sa inyo mga kapatid?
Anong masasabi mo ngayon?
Ayos lang ngayon na may mga tao din.
Ayun oh. Hindi tayo nag-iisa. Yan guys. Liblib na to. Libliba na. Ganun talaga pag nag-hike, diba?
Nice one. Nice view.
Ano?
Full of trees. Ganito kami mag-hike kasi madulas. Ayun, mahal ko. Picture ka dyan, oh. There. Oo nga, no? Ito, guys. Ganito lang dito. Dito gaano na yun?
destination namin. Maliit lang siya na falls. It's called Creek Falls. Kasi creek lang siya.
Cypress, yeah, Cypress Creek Falls.
Yeah.
So,
Pero pwede yung view maganda.
oo nga.
Very first time ko makakita ng ganyan. Sa buong buhay ko. Kaya, it's a good adventure.
I know, right? Kahit maputik, tinan nyo naman gaano kaputik. Kasi umulan kasi kagabi, di ba? Kanina
maputik
madaling
siya kasi
araw.
maulan. Pero pag, pag maaraw siya, maganda siguro dito.
Yeah, oo.
What's up sa inyo mga kapatid? So, nandito kami sa
palikod muna.
Anong palikod?
Yan nun.
Nababaliw na naman. Anong palikod yung sinasabi nito? Ha? So, ayun na, nakikita nyo yung view. Napakaganda.
Yeah.
Yun. Kita nyo ba?
It's just foggy though.
Hindi ko rin kita eh. Ayun, dito magandang view. Ayun.
So guys, it's actually raining. So we didn't go to the top of the mountain because the weather is really bad. So we promised that next time we're gonna come back here when it's like sunny. So this is the view. So actually, hindi nyo makikita pero doon meron siyang lake.
Lake or sea, ocean?
Lake, sea. No, it's a lake. Lake siya. Pasensya na kayo mga kapatid. Kasi si Nath hindi niya alam kung anong difference between ocean, sea, and lake.
Wow, I don't know that. Are you kidding me?
Guys.
No.
So, ayan guys. It's supposed to be a good view. Kaso nga, sa sobrang foggy, hindi natin makita. So, let's go now. The weather is really not really bad. I cannot say that it's really bad. It's just not cooperating with us. So I don't think it's worth to go up and then vlog with no view.
Alright, so foggy up there.
And nothing to see, nothing to vlog about. So we've decided that today we're not gonna go hike, like I think, right?
We're gonna go next time, yeah.
We're not gonna go hike. So we've decided to go to the mall.
So what's up mga kapatid? Nandito kami sa Park Royal ni ate. Si ate naiya mag-vlog kasi daw madaming tao. Naman na. Malagi naman siyang maiyain eh. Ako na lang magbablog mag-isa. So ayan, di nga kami natuloy sa no? Di kami natuloy sa... Saan nga yun? Saan nga tayo hindi natuloy? Mag-hiking kasi maambon. O kaya ngayon dito tamang vlogging lang sa sa Northban? Northban ba to?
Yeah.
Oo, ayun. Eh, may kita nyo, daming tao. Ay, konti lang pala. Ito, mayroon ditong H&M. Kung gusto nyo, sa H&M. Mayroon ditong Hot Topic.
May sale ba sila? Wala, no?
Kung gusto mo ng Hot Topic. Meron din Softmax. Bilihan ng mga sapatos. Kala ko dati, bilihan ng mga laptop.
Oh, wait.
Sapatos pala. Pa kami nandito, paikot-ikot, naghanap ng restaurant kung saan makakain. Ito nga pala sa likod ko, kung makikita nyo, ito dati nasa bahay namin to. Yan, yung na yan. Kaso nga lang, wala na space sa wala na space sa bahay namin. Kaya
Hello! Tingin-tingin muna tayo ng makakainan.
I know, right?
So guys, hindi kami na-satisfied sa food court. Gusto kasi namin ng Korean barbecue. So we're gonna go and find a place where we can eat Korean barbecue. Because we've missed it so much! Right?
We miss eating so much?
We always eat.
Yeah, I know.
Kaya yung dami nagsasabi pumayat na ako, that time is over. I hope not, but alam nyo naman, pagkasama ko si Kuya Nat, kain kami ng kain. I love you.
Love you too.
Wow.
So what's up guys? We're here at Chosun because si ate nag-crave siya ng Korean barbecue. Ako naman nag-crave ng kanin. Pero siyempre mas mahal natin
So
si ate. Mas mahal natin si ate, kaya dito tayo sa barbecue. Ganda na, mabait.
So guys, nandito kami sa Chosun. Kakaan na kami. Actually, we're waiting for our spot. But I'm super duper hungry.
One eternity later.
So we got our sides. Gutom na si Kuya, gutom na. He's super hungry.
Kain na.
So gutom na gutom si Kuya Nath. So yan.
Kain na tayo calamari, guys.
Kain na tayo guys.
Favorite.
Time to eat. Ayan na guys, more food. Takoyaki.
Okay, thank you.
And gyoza. Ito na friends, dumating na yung aming barbecue. Kainan na.
Bang na.
So ito ay chicken bulgogi. Bulgogi ba? Tama ba yung sinabi ko?
Bulgogi, yeah.
So yun muna lulutuin namin, yung chicken bulgogi. And then next, this one I think it's pork bulgogi, pork. Ito talagang mukbang mga kapatid. Beef para malupit, 'di ba? Ipag-mix na natin.
Yeah, mix mo na. Okay. Tayo din
Gutom na
naman.
gutom. Gutom na gutom ka ba?
Oo, yan. Para may space.
Yan. So we're just gonna wait.
You want more takoyaki?
Yeah.
Sama pa? Pwede mo get that. Thank you. Oh, wow.
7 piece.
Wow.
Yep.
Guys, look at this. Sarap ng maso, so. Grabe. Ooh. Ala, mahulog pa. Guys, nag-order kami ng maso. It's really spicy.
Your ate cannot eat spicy.
I can't eat spicy. I'll try. Pero ang dami niyang ano, oh.
But it's good.
Ang sarap talaga ng Korean, guys. We're so happy because we're gonna eat a lot. Oh. Ano, masarap? Okay. Ngayon, gagawa ako ng salad. Hindi ko talaga alam kung anong pangalan nito, pero yun na rin yun. So, lalagyan ko siya ng beef. Ganyan lang siya, easy to make, you know. Tapos, ganyanin lang natin. Basta kain lang tayo, laman lang tayo. Tapos, dito natin siya isasawsaw. Ganyan lang yan, oh. Yan.
Good?
Ang sarap. Ano? Sarap guys, sulit. Sulit talaga. Busog na ako pero kinakaya pa din. Kahit pa
namin, pero
paano.
meron pa rin, oh.
Paano ba yan? Paano ba na naman tayo papayat nito guys? Meron na ulit kainan sa labas.
Limit lang.
I think for today I'm not gonna eat. I think ito yung first and last meal ko of the day.
So she was trying to say this is her lunch and dinner.
That's what I was saying.
That's what she was trying to say.
Oh!
Oh, bye. Nasiyan ka?
Yeah.
Sa mata?
Here. It's okay.
Sorry.
It's okay. So guys, bale. Ang arte. Bale, yung isang combo nito, combo A bang kinuha natin, ano, $54 for 2 people. Good for 2 people. Pero, it really makes you feel full. Like, really, really full. We got also like 3 side dishes, such as calamari, gyoza, and takoyaki. So, itong pangalan ng restaurant na to is Chosun. It is in Vancouver, in Kingsway. I'm gonna put the link down below kung nasaan itong restaurant na to. So, just in case you're in Vancouver and looking for a place where to eat, we recommend you to go and eat Chosun barbecue. Yeah, it's a Korean food, Korean barbecue.
If you want to eat Korean barbecue, we
Yeah.
recommend this.
So guys, tapos na kami kumain. So we're done. This is what we ate. So we didn't finish everything, but we tried to finish, but it was so much. It was too much for us that we couldn't. But we tried our best.
I'm so full. This is my first time that I come na.
Yeah, after a long time. Like after 3 months, here we go. Eating again, like eating so much.
Nga tayo nag
So guys, tapos na kaming kumain. Dinigyan kami ng candy ng cashier. Ang sarap. Ito siya. Milkita. Madami siyang flavor. Grabe, hindi ako makanguya.
Sipsipin mo kasi.
Ngayon guys, dahil tapos na yung journey namin,
Ano ba yan? Mahal ko yung chan ko.
Ayan, no?
Mapakita.
yan, medyo cloudy pa rin. So, thank you guys for watching once again. And nga pala, thank you for our 700 subscribers. Thank you for all your support. Thank you for watching us. Thank you for subscribing, I guess. So guys, if you haven't subscribed yet to our channel, make sure to subscribe. And if you like this video, leave it a thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, leave it a thumbs down. And don't forget to turn on that tililing bell button so you're always updated to our new videos. Bye guys, we'll see you soon.